to the Winter Noise Festival, or as we call it in Hebrew, Sha'on Choref. Sha'on basically means ruckus, it means noise, it means a loud vibe, and this is what we try to bring every Monday in February. We take a different part of Jerusalem and we fill it with many, many cultural events. It's like a huge culture buffet.
Living in this city is just so different than what I expected. It's great to see people having so much fun. It looks like there's going to be a lot of really cool events happening this month, so we came to check it out.
You have music, you have art, you have performance art.
I'm a student in Jerusalem. It's February and it's an exam period, so I came out to make a good night before I'm going back to study.
Despite the cold, we try to bring people out, to put them into businesses, and to wake the city up with these cultural events. It's been an amazing ride so far.